Cause every day you just
Same way the interview starts is the same way I was introduced to this great talent right here, Lila Ike. Lila, go on.
Blessings and light.
You good?
Yeah man, I'm great. Just take a bathe at the river. Wash me hair, everything nice. Man.
You chose this riverside right here for the interview. Tell us why.
Me normally do my spa days at the river still. You know, me take a bathe and just wash my hair, bring a book or my guitar and just relax. But this is my sacred space.
Talk to me a little bit more about who you are. I mean, your type of music. How do you describe your music?
I would describe my music as soulful. I think I sound different, you know, than most people. I think because I was influenced mostly by reggae, Garnet Silk in particular, because I just love how he sounds. And he was just a unique artist to me. Just how him bringing music across was just very, very interesting to me.
You have a favorite Garnet?
Bless me, bless me, bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. I love that, and hello, Mama Africa. Those are my two favorites.
Well, the song that you started the interview with, what's the name of that one?
That's called Biggest Fan.
When you listen to the words of the song, that's clearly a song for your mom.
Yeah, I definitely wrote and did that song specifically for her to hear because it was basically her first time being introduced to me as an artist. So I wrote it to her and for her so she can see, say, I'm really good at what I want to do. And you can feel safe, you know, say I'm doing it and doing it well. It was released, I think, when I was on tour with TVJ in England.
And what was her reaction?
I remember one day she called me when she heard it on the radio and she called me while the song I play. Dear excitement, what? You know? So, you know, it worked out exactly how I wanted it to.
And you also mentioned TVJ. Tell us about what's your relationship with TVJ?
I actually recorded a song before I did Biggest Fan and he heard it. And I remember him reach out to me on Twitter like, I heard something for you today and I really think we should link up and vibe some music. I was pretty excited. I'm like, oh my God, TVJ reached out to me. We met up at his home studio and I remember when I was there freestyling, I didn't know he was recording. And after he was like, I hope you don't mind, but I made a recording of, you know, what we did here. And I'm like, really? We did there, listen it back and I remember there was just complete silence in the room. And I remember him say, yo, you know, say you inspire me though. And that day them in our life, that day they really up my drive to really do music as if I can see somebody that I look up to as a really great person in a reggae music, in a Jamaican history. And for that person to say to me that I inspire them then, you know, and give me the recording to go home and listen to and finish it up. Recorded Biggest Fan, then Gotti Gotti came about and the other single, and now just I work on more music. Whoa, oh, oh. Whoa, well, na na, whoa, na 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 na. I saw me there with Sanjay, and everything is intense. The vibe is so sweet, like when me light me incense. Oh yes, we there up on the riverside, and everything is alright. We give thanks for life every single day and night. As a young artist, you want to make sure, say, you develop and understand and know what your sound is. Young musicians coming up, it doesn't really make any sense if you want to be a musician and you don't know music. You have to know different chords, different key. Even in a setting where a performance and you have a show or rehearsal and you happen to don't have a band for yourself, you're supposed to can go into the rehearsal room and say, okay, my songs are in this, that, and if them play something off, you're supposed to can identify it. Sure. And it's just good for you as it's like it builds you up. Like me feel like my singing has advanced since me really take up the guitar. Like I can do so much more.
Last thing now, tell us what most, from your perspective, makes Lila Ike intense.
I'm just real. I'm the realest person. Look, I have the people in my river do this interview. Nothing is more intense than that. Cause you're my biggest fan. Love you, my number one. Words of a queen. Yes, you're my biggest fan. Love you, my number one.